Good everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use the import range function to import and export data here in Google Sheets. This tutorial will be relatively simple, quick, and easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you are a first timer, a beginner, or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this. Now before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you're using is completely up to date, and this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way. Also, if you're interested in watching other tutorials, let's say for example separate tutorials of the different functions and features of Google Sheets or other Google software such as Google Docs, Google Sites, and Slides, and more, we have a dedicated playlist that compiles all of those tutorials in one specific playlist. Now if you want to watch videos such as how to guide a beginner's guide to Google Sheets that provides brief explanation functions on where to use Google Sheets and many more, we already have a video uploaded as well regarding that. Now let us get to the tutorial itself. All you have to do is to head over to your Google Sheets file and then press equals and type in import range and then put a parenthesis and then press the paste button by pressing Ctrl V or Command V. Make sure that you have already copied the URL of the spreadsheet that you would like to import the data to, like so. Also put quotation marks in the beginning and ending of the link, like so. As you can see, it now turns green because we have now indicated that. Then press comma, and then now you need to find the name of that specific sheet that you would like to add. Mine is sheet 1. Sorry. Then exclamation point. Exclamation point. And then from cell A1, to cell D11, because this is the range. Sorry, you're supposed to put a quotation mark in here as well, like so. This is the range, by the way, of the cells on the original reference that you would like to import the data from. You will put it there and then press enter and wait for it to load. And now as you can see, we have the data that came from the link that we have imported the data from. And as simple as that, we can import a lot of data at once, transfer that data into our Google spreadsheet at our own convenience. Now if you would like to export this data, then all you have to do is copy the link from this one and then do the same thing to the other Google Sheet file. As simple as that, we can import and export our data using the import range function. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.